guys? How are your guys? Day 1 of my intermittent fasting. I'm gonna have popcorn and tea. I don't know how it's gonna work. Let's see if I'm able to, survive with little food because I'm not used to. So here our popcorn is gonna be tested. I'll show you. कुकर वाले पॉपकॉर्न कुछ ऐसे दिखते हैं. Alright.
Nice.
How is your online studies going on?
Good.
What difficulties are you facing?
No, I'm not facing any.
Sweet potato. Like the healthiest breakfast ever, isn't it? It's complex carb, right? But it's not for me, my mother. So every morning is like chai or dosa or idli or chutney. But today it's chai and popcorn and sweet potato. Like altogether a different combination itself. I am actually at present so hungry, I don't know how I'm going to survive the entire day. I wish I was as skinny as my sister is. उसको तो किसी बात का मतलब टेंशन ही नहीं है. खाओ पियो मस्त ऐश करो बस, और कुछ किसी बात का उसको फिक्र ही नहीं है. Hey mom. हमारे व्यूअर्स डर के भाग जाएंगे. बिच्चा मतलब इन तुलु इट इज़ हॉट. So this is her. You are not supposed to have tea, no? You are on. आपका ये तुलु भाषा ना सबको समझ में नहीं आता है.
समझ में नहीं आता तो समझने का, समझाने का, सीखने का.
तो आप अभी से रोज़ तुलु क्लासेस लेना शुरू करो तो सीख जाएंगे. चाय, ओके, एंड सावधान इंडिया. Best combination ever, and chit-chatting with mom.
Sweet potato.
Hey girls.
I don't like
that. We are all set to go out. Guess why?
Why?
Because surprise. All
Hey
set
guys.
to go. All set to go. I am very excited because हमारे लिए मेरे लिए जा रहे हैं हम लोग
साइकिल लेने. 25 years की लड़की अभी साइकिल सीखने वाली है.
तो क्या हुआ? There is no age. Age is just a number.
साइकिल लेट सीखते हैं तो लोग ऐसे ही बोलते हैं.
Age is. Do you know cycle?
Yes, I know.
She knows nothing.
I know.
I am like a good girl. I have worn my mask, and we are all set to go. Time for meal 2, and in meal 2, I am gonna have ragi. Okay, so meal morning for breakfast I had tea, half cup of tea, little bit because tea is required for me. वरना बिना चाय के तो मैं नहीं रह सकती. Next is I had popcorn and half मतलब छोटू piece of sweet potato. And meal 2 is this ragi. I'll show you how it looks. So ये कुछ ऐसा दिखता है. It is ragi, water and jaggery. That's it. Little bit of jaggery. What are you eating? She is thin, no? So उसको कुछ ऐसे ज़रूरत ही नहीं है कुछ सोचने की. Please mind the mess behind me because feeling very lazy right now to clean everything. So let's have a lunch. So this is day 1, okay? I am starting after 2 days of, I told you that I'll be starting dieting and all, because I was not well for 2 days. So I'm starting from today. So from today to 30 days. Let's see how this clean diet works. Preparing for the last meal of the day, and that is this. I'm preparing चपाती. पहले आटा गूंद लेंगे और फिर चपाती प्रिपेयर करेंगे. तो ये होगा द लास्ट मील ऑफ द डे. So in total during this IF, what I had was popcorn and half a sweet potato with little half cup tea, and then I had ragi, 1 cup of ragi, and now I'll be having chapati. So this is all that I'm having for day 1.
चपाती वंडा चपाती हाकूंडा.
This is the chapati that I prepared. How is it, Mom?
చపాతీ ఇలా దొరుకుతుంది.
And the tea. The tea. Yay. So you can see my chapati, like how nice I've prepared. Ekdam round. Or ekdam jumbo chapati. Problem of every girl.
So guys, if you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and also press the bell icon so that in future whenever I upload any videos you get the notification.
And also this series of 30-day intermittent fasting, so I would be uploading the videos daily. So today was the first day of my intermittent fasting, so
Tomorrow
I would be wow, genius. If today was the first day, then tomorrow is the second day. Wow. Okay guys, so yes, daily basis पे मैं वीडियो अपलोड करूँगी and I'll keep updating about my weight. So yay, bye bye, see you tomorrow.